Hey y'all, this is Georgia Peach Cooks and Creates, or I'm Chani. And I am still working on my DIY Valentine videos. So let me go ahead and show you what we're going to be working on today and the supply list that you're going to need. You're going to need your glue gun. You're going to need some floral wire. You're going to need some jute, string, well, jute twine is technically what they call this. You will need some ribbon of your choice. This is the thin ribbon, 5/8 inch. 5/8 inch width from the Dollar Tree. And I'm using that design right there. You need some felt stickers. You will need some felt hearts. This is the 8 count. These come in 3 colors. You can use any color that you desire. And I will be hanging these on the wall with what I found at Dollar Tree, which is the self-adhesive hooks, the smaller version. So let me get started. Okay, so what we're going to do, my bathroom is going to be a baby pink Valentine theme color. I have chosen the white because, all right, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this jute ribbon and we are going to start at the top through here, and we are going to feed it. Sew it however you want to say it through these hearts. You're just going to go in and out, in and out. And just going to keep going. And I will show you when I get through weaving it all the way through the hearts what we're going to do then next. Okay, so let me show you what I've done. So I have weaved my ribbon all the way through my heart, and I've skipped this middleman because what we're going to do is we are going to cut this. I'm going to lay this out and cut this. And where this is going to go is this is going to go on my wall. So I am simply going to tie a bow. Alright, so basically what I did is I looped the 2 bows. I'll show you what I did. I looped the 2 bows like this, and for me, I just double knotted it. Basically, that's how I did it. And that's what I come up with. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are going to take this ribbon, and excuse me y'all, I have not found the end of this to open it up. There we go. Alright, Miss O'Jerry Hannah Henson taught me how to make a bow. I do not do bows. I struggle with them. And at the same time, let me go ahead and get my floral wire ready at the same time, because that's what we're going to tie it off with. But she made it very simple. So Miss Jerry Ann said that you loop. She said use 6. Wrap around your hands. So that's 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to do 4. So got to cut it off right about even where my other one ends. And then she says, slip it off your hand, tuck it together in the middle, And then use your floral wire. That did not turn out right. There we go. Push that through. I'm learning. Okay, so. And we're going to take our floral wire, put that in a half. That's what she said. Take our floral wire, feed it through, and we're going to twist and twist and twist. And then we are going to, sorry, I touched that glue gun and it was hot. Gonna cut our floral wire. Then I'm going to wrap it around the back. All right, there's your two ends, there's your bow. You pull out your loops. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it in the middle of my heart. Make sure to get the ends down. And you can fool with getting the loops out when you get done. So what I'm going to do is I am going to place a glue dot in the middle of my heart. And I am going to stick my bow there. Okay. Like I said, you can just mess with the loops when you get this down and get it the way you want to. Now, remember these hearts? So what I'm going to do for a little added extra is I am going to, it's got a sticky back on there. The sticky back is not going to, it's not going to stay. It's on that middle piece because it just does not have that much adhesive on it. So I am going to peel it off, and then I will, well, I might be surprised. Hang on a second here. Oh, it does have enough glue. Sticky back on it. Okay. So then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to adhere it in the center. And there you go. There is my rustic little heart bow for my wall. I hope y'all enjoyed this DIY. It was simple, but I think it's kind of cute. All you'll have to do is take your command hook and hook it on. And there you go. You got yourself a cute little wall ornament. All right, I hope y'all enjoyed this DIY. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to join my family and look forward to more videos. And I hope y'all have a great day.